have lots of fun, shining your light and giving your grace, sharing your joy with a smile on my face. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here. Ever this day be at my side, to light and guard, to rule and guide. Amen.
Okay, so good afternoon once again, everyone. So today we will have our continuation for our topic, assessment of perceptual abilities. Now, can someone tell me what kind of perceptual abilities we have discussed last meeting? And we have Miss Sumalpong.